There.
And then we'll make rice on peas. Show them. You ready, Rosie? Come on, look at this. You ready? Alright.
Noni.
Now come.
You going?
Come here now. Oh, this is a grapefruit tree. Right there. That one?
Oh yeah, yeah.
They're sweet.
Wow. Let's juice some of them.
This is my favorite fruit.
That school over there. All that noise?
Oh yeah, they're at school.
School, yeah.
My favorite fruit. Jackfruit tree.
Jackfruit. Look at the size of it.
But they're not ripe. I hope one of them turns ripe before we leave.
That is fruit.
If
That's
one
not
of
a
them here,
vegetable?
look from my head right now.
Dead, so. It's a fruit.
Mm-hmm.
No vegetable. So all this is there. All pea?
My grandmother and her cousin
It's pea.
planted it. Peas. I think this is a pear. We got a star apple tree over the other side.
That's the pea right there with the string. Bam, bam, bam.
There's a whole bunch of corn. There's some different type of things in there.
Bam, bam. Watch that soil, the dark.
Hmm?
The soil.
Mm-hmm.
Red.
Let me show you a hidden treasure.
What, the cave?
No, that's the cave yet.
See them hawks circling?
Right there.
You don't see them? I smell that orange now.
Our cousins used to live on this hill, but nobody lives there anymore. I told them, like, what are they doing?
Bombaras. I remember this from the video. You see your cousin used to live up here?
Yeah, people used to, Goldie in New York. Used to live up there.
In a house or?
It's a house on top of there.
No one there now?
No one's there.
You take it.
It's an old house.
You take it, babe.
She said I asked her, she said she's thinking about doing something with it.
Oh, it's not your family?
Yeah, it's my family, it's my cousins.
I can sell it to you. Put something down on it. Ross, watch the vines. This is where you take the pick too.
Mm-hmm.
Take this cell off.
Right here, push them
Yeah.
all the way up.
Ross. Oh my God. You can climb them vine.
Hmm?
You gonna climb them vine?
Mm-hmm.
Strong?
But how we used to get up here, I think there's a little cut right there, and just climb, we just go up.
Let's eat. What that is?
Want this orange?
Bitter.
It's good. Sweet.
Bam, bam, bam. That's a bitter orange. It's a bitter one, ain't it?
I think it's sweet. I think it's sweet, I like it.
Sweet and bitter.
Hmm?
It's sweet and bitter. It's good.
Take a picture of the orange.
Be a video of me. I'll shoot, you know.
Oh, you can't take a picture and video?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop it.
Maybe you're supposed to go up there. And go up there.
But I can't see nothing, no house up there, no.
Let me see if I can. It's an old house. It's pretty up there. See that? Oh, my shop door.
Jamaica have no ticks, right?
Yeah.
Huh? You have ticks?
It
Don't play with me.
It does have ticks.
You
But I
can't-
haven't been by any.
They can't. They carry Lyme disease.
Not really.
Oh,
Look on this stuff.
the view from up there must be nice too. Beer drop.
There's a lady that live up there. And a Rasta guy that would live up there too.
Eh? The bush. I'll be here sitting.
Did you hear the roosters this morning?
Trust me.
Waking us up?